Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Luma AI and Invideo AI. You see, they are both video powerhouses, but they operate at opposite ends of the production circle. Luma AI is a generative artist that builds cinematic footage from thin air, while Invideo AI is a video editor that assembles complete narrated videos like YouTube explainers, like the one I'm doing right now, using stock footage and integrated AI models. Now let's look at their core differences. The core difference is that when it comes to creation and curation, what do I mean? Luma AI creates every pixel using its own AI model to follow your specific vision, while Invideo AI curates footage, often using stock video or other AI models to make a script it writes for you. When you look at their finished product, a video from Invideo AI is ready to be uploaded to YouTube immediately, complete with a narrator and music, while a video from Luma AI is usually a single high-quality shot that you would later put into an editor. And when we look at their control, Luma AI gives you extreme control over physics, lighting, and 3D space, while Invideo AI gives you control over the narrative, pacing, and branding of a marketing message. Hope you found these differences helpful. See you in the next one.